Lost in nested loops? Visual tricks make them crystal clear. Today we're learning the secret tools that make nested loops crystal clear. We'll trace loops with tables, use powerful grid mental models, track every variable change, and debug like pros. Let's start with this simple nested loop. It creates coordinates using x and y. Instead of just running it and hoping for the best, we're going to trace through it step by step. Here's our secret weapon, the execution table. Watch how we track each step. Step 1. X is 0, y is 0. We print 0, 0. Step 2. X stays 0, y becomes 1. We print 0, 1. Step 3. X still 0, y becomes 2. We print 0, 2. Then we get a new line and x advances to 1. Here's a pro tip. Use color coding in your tables. Make the inner loop iterations light gray. This makes the patterns jump out at you like magic. Now let me share the ultimate mental model. Think of nested loops as filling a grid. The outer loop moves down the rows and the inner loop fills across the columns. It's like reading a book, left to right, then down to the next line. Remember this golden rule. Outer loop equals rows moving vertically, and inner loop equals columns moving horizontally. Just like reading, across the columns first, then down to the next row. The grid pattern in nested loops is exactly the same way pixels fill your computer screen, row by row. Programming is everywhere around us. Quick thinking challenge. If we have range 4 for the outer loop and range 2 for the inner loop, how many rows and columns do we get? Think about our grid rule. Perfect. It's 4 rows and 2 columns because outer loop controls rows and inner loop controls columns. That gives us 8 total steps. 4 times 2. Here's your debugging strategy for nested loops. Always start with trace tables to see exactly what's happening, then visualize it as a grid to understand the big picture. This 2-step approach makes any nested loop crystal clear. Outstanding work! You now have the visualization superpowers. Tables track every change, grids show the big picture, and you know outer equals rows, inner equals columns. Next up, we'll build amazing 2D patterns.